change my career in my IT field. Actually, I was from a technical support engineer role. So I was interested in a role called in cloud or in DevOps. So when I just discussed with my friends, they informed that they have found an institute named Besant Technologies. So I just contacted them, and the way they welcomed me was good, and I was very much admired from their end. So that's the reason I joined here. So after joining the class, I just joined 3 courses. One was AWS, and the other one was Python, and the one which is going on is a DevOps class. So the course which I joined was very much useful to my career. So regarding career information, they just provide the jobs in their portal. So we have to look into our end, and we have to improve skills in it so that we can get placed in the better opportunity. So that's it from me.